Hi, Kira.
Cheese.
Hi, Mia. Say cheese.
Hey.
Isus.
No.
Juliana, put down your cereal. Pag tumapon yan, ay nako. Stop, just put it down there. Put it down there. Are you guys enjoying your stay in the Philippines? Girls? Mia, Kira, are you enjoying your stay here? Yeah? You like it here? Okay, tell your mom and dad we just want to stay here forever.
No.
Why?
Because I want to go home too.
You want to go home?
Yeah, I want to ride on the
And then we can come back
I
anytime.
want to ride on.
What?
I want to ride on the plane too.
A what?
I want to ride on the plane so I get home.
Oh no, you want to ride on a plane?
I'm going to ride on the plane so I can get home.
What about you, my girl?
No.
Ay, mama just fix your slinky. Baka mamaya sirain mo na naman. You know how this one work? Let me show you. Yeah, the stair. That's what your mama do when she's little. That's your mom's favorite toy. Huh? It doesn't work anymore. Let me see. Ah!
Yeah, we come down on that mini stairs.
Oh, see.
I did that yet. My turn. I did it, Mama. Look at my Hello Kitty surprise.
I don't know where your mom put the Hello Kitty surprise. She was sleeping when I left. When she left. I was sleeping when she left.
Mommy, had to wait. Go.
You wanna go with me?
Mommy, and you wait to go.
Yeah, I don't know where she went. Oh, she went to
The mountain.
Volcano. Taal Volcano. Mama went to Taal Volcano.
Will Mommy go? Hey.
Mom and Daddy went to Taal Volcano.
Who wants play?
Why did you guys... Hey, Juliana, finish your cereals. Your sister finished their cereals.
Daddy, I'm done with my cereal.
No, you're not. See, it's not even halfway done.
My fan. Thank you, Jana.
After you finish that, I'm gonna fix your hair. What's your name?
Mia.
What's your mommy's name?
Judy.
What's your daddy's name?
Daddy.
Okay. What is mama's name?
Lily.
What is papa's name?
What is Mia's name?
What is papa's name?
No, what's Mia's name? You already said his name. What's Mia's name?
What's Mia's name? Di Mia. What is papa's name?
Albert.
What is Lolo's name? Lolo. Lolo Ting. What is auntie's name?
Auntie Mel.
Auntie Melmel. What is your friend's name? Chris Pedersen.
Yeah. Catch me. You can catch me. What okay, woman? That's okay. I will fix it.
What's her name? What's that lady's name? Juby. What's that lady's name? Juby. And say, oh, you already told me. Okay, Auntie Juby. Auntie Juby. You already say that? Why are you so daldal?
Why are you so
Why are you so daldal? Don't step on that. Yes, you are daldal. Get away there because she is dusty. Why your hair is so curly? Can I have a kiss? Can Mom have a kiss and hug?
You ready?
But I want another one.
Kiss?
I haven't had my breakfast kiss yet.
No.
Okay, Mia will kiss me then. Mia.
There, that's fresh.
What about Ate JB gonna kiss me again?
Wait.
Ate JB gonna kiss? Where's the spider? That?
This way.
Oh, that's a fake spider.
Yeah, that's fake.
That's not even spider.
Yeah, it's a spider. Do I that, Mama?
Oh, wow. I can't even feel it. Miss you. I love you. I love you.
Here you go, Mia. Hey! Mia took your fan. Hey. Look, Mia took your fan. Hey, my fan.
Ay.
Mia broke it. I'll fix it.
Nakita mo ba, Juby, kung nasaan nakalagay yung bigas nila? Bigas? Hanapin nga natin. I know they have rice. You don't do that. Eh, kaya kayo nag-aaway eh. Kira, stop it. Ha? Oh, yeah? Simisabi? Eh, wala naman akong Philippine money. Iniwanan ba nila yan? Sinabi nila yan sa'yo? Malaki ang tindahan, malaki. Tingnan mo nga. Dalhin mo yung ano kung may... I don't know kung ano mabibili doon. One is happy.
No, Mia, because...
Oh, ayan ka na naman. Ayan na naman. What? Did you pee? You should go to the toilet and go pee-pee.
I'm gonna go pee-pee.
Yeah, go to the toilet. Okay? Go. Go. Don't pee on your diaper. You're a big girl now. Come on. Don't act like you cannot talk.
Mama, why did you took
Go to the bathroom and go pee-pee. Go. Stop scratching your sister. Papaluin kita dyan eh. Gusto mo palo? Sino gusto palo? I'll give you palo. Ayan na nga. Tama na nga.